Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you exactly how to download add-ons and extra content in Minecraft for free using the legal and the safe methods. So everything here works on the Bedrock edition and follows the Minecraft's official rules. So first of all, you need to come here on Microsoft.net. Then you need to just simply hover over to the shop section. Then click on the option of marketplace. So in the marketplace section, you need to simply look for the option of free. You can also use this search bar here on the top, and when you type free over here, you are going to see some of the free skins, the textures, the maps, and the educational add-ons. So these items are 100% official and safe to use. The second method of using is by Minecraft's official community submissions. So Mojang approved creators publish free resource pack and behavior packs on the trusted community hubs. So these packs are allowed because the creators choose to release them for free, and they also follow the Minecraft's content policy. So make sure that the pack is clearly states and it is created by the author and not ripped from the marketplace. The next method is education addition features if your account supports it. So education edition includes free chemistry, coding, gameplay add-on that is built directly by Mojang. So these can be enabled in your world settings under the educational features. So after downloading any of the legal pack, you just have to import it into Minecraft. Then simply go to the settings, global resources, or your world's resource, or the behavior pack menu, and you just have to activate it. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.